Right guys, we are back again with another video, and today is another unboxing video for you guys. So this time we have the S21 Ultra 5G in front of me, you can see. So this is the box, and as you can see, it's thinner than usual because they have gotten rid of the charger and the earphones. So we don't have much inside actually to check out, but we're still gonna cut and have a look at the device obviously, and obviously take a look at it. So let us go ahead and unbox it. So this one is the color I got is in silver. So let me just cut it open. Okay, so comes out like that. Then there's another seal. No, that's it. Alright, so nothing over here, pretty simple. So here is the device, so we gotta leave here. So let me put this aside for now. We'll take a look at what we get inside. So just another box in a box. So we have some stuff in here. Looks like this is the SIM ejector tool, and I believe inside is just the Type-C cable. So let's just check it out. Yep, Type-C to Type-C cable. So that's it. And over in the box we also get a bunch of leaflets, quick start guide, warranty guide, warranty card, and also some regional log guide as well, and looks like some cashback rewards for Samsung Pay. And that's about it. We do not get we don't get a charger, no headphones this time, and yeah, that's it. So the most clean unboxing I've ever done, and very simple unboxing. So let's put all this aside and take a look at the device itself. Here we go. So let's take a look behind. Ooh, so this is the silver color. There is another phantom black color, but I thought that would be a bit boring, so I decided to go with a lighter color and see how it looks like. So initial impressions, the weight, it is on the heavier side, but eventually you get used to it. So yeah, let us do this for now. So I'm bringing my S10 here just for comparison. So this is my current device. So this is the S10, and this is the Ultra. Just give you guys initial idea on the device size. So this one is sort of a compact device. I can really reach the other side, no issue. But for this one, it looks like you need to use two hands. So yeah, you need two hands to reach the other side, as the device is bigger, and you can see the camera layouts are totally different on both devices. So yep, so let us power on and take a look at the device. So power on. So the boot animation is a bit different. It doesn't say Galaxy S21 Ultra, it just says Galaxy. So yep, starting Android. Alright, so this is the welcome screen. So I will be setting up the device first and get everything ready. I'll transfer all my stuff from the S10 over to the new device, and from there we can continue on with the overall take a look at the device itself in terms of the software and also the overall features that it has to offer. So we'll be right back once I've done installing the device. Alright guys, so we are back again with the second part of the video, and I've already done transferring all my stuff from the old phone now to the new phone. So this is all thanks to the Smart Switch application. If you don't know about it, it's very easy. Just install it on both devices and you can move over everything. So this is the S21 Ultra now running, and I've set up everything. Everything is pretty much cloned over actually. So first impressions, I already noticed the screen, the refresh rate is very fast. I did not have any issues. So by default it's you go display, you can go to motion smoothness. It's already on by default, so it's adaptive, and it says it can be between around 10 Hz to 220 Hz, so that's nice. And the best thing about this one is you can do it in the full resolution without any issue. So yep, and yeah, so that's the first thing I noticed that is really a major difference versus my older phone. The second major difference is obviously the device is bigger now and it's a bit heavier, but this obviously to the battery size. But we have to test on that. And we also got a software update that just came in. Looks like a security patch. So I'm gonna go about the phone. So you go to software information, and you see we are running on Android 11, which is the current latest version of Android. Android 12, it should be coming pretty soon. And we're running on One UI version 3.1. And yeah, security patch level is January, and that's it. So yeah, so this is just my initial unboxing and have overall impressions on it. So far I'm pretty okay, very happy with what the device has to offer. I'll have a full review obviously, so stay tuned to the channel for the full review of this device. So right now it's just the initial unboxing and hands-on look of the device. So the major selling point of this device obviously is the camera. So it has the 100 times zoom, and we have the 108 megapixel camera as well. So we're going to try that out later in further down the road. So yeah, so that's it actually for me, just a quick unboxing and a first look at the Galaxy S21 Ultra. So yeah, anyway guys, what do you guys think of this quick little unboxing? If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Want to see more of this kind of videos, subscribe to the channel. As always, I'm Jeremy. Stay tuned for videos like this one. Peace.